Okay, so here's what I have so far. Let me show you in detail. Is it cooked? Is it undercooked? Is it overcooked? I don't know. Big mystery. Let's see. You guys ready? Let me try it. Oh my gosh, it's good. It's missing some salt and pepper and seasoning. But you guys, I would feed my kids this. I would eat this myself. I think I spent about $10 for healthy food. So yeah, I hope the dogs are gonna like it, because if they don't like it, I'm screwed. Bon, I think Misty loves it. I hate to say my dogs maybe eat better than me. No. Maybe I should know. I can't say that. No. Bonjour my love, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I wanted to make this video. It's an impromptu video because I decided to start making my own dog food for my 2 chihuahuas. I know. In the past 2 years, I've seen a decline in my dog's health, especially my oldest one. Let me introduce you to my dogs first of all, because I don't put them on the vlog often. Here we have Misty, who is a Chihuahua Yorkie. She's a COVID baby, a COVID dog, sorry. And she's Ella's dog. And here we got my doggie. This is Luna, who is not feeling too well, so I don't want to bother her too much. Luna is my dog. She is a Chihuahua Pekingese, and she will be turning 13 or 14. 13 in January 29th, this month. I've seen her health decline a lot in the past couple years. Today she's not looking good at all. I've seen her back legs being a little bit stiff, and she has a hard time going up the couches. So I decided that I was going to change their food, because before I used to give them a more expensive organic food, and since the separation 2 years ago, my budget's really tight now, so I changed the food I used to give them for something cheaper, and I've seen a decline. So long story short, I went online, I looked at a few YouTube videos on how to make your own dog food. Today I did the groceries for the week, and I decided to buy what was necessary to do my dog's food. Okay, so here's what I have so far. Let me show you in detail. Here we have sweet potatoes and squash. We have frozen comment t'appelles ces petits pois en anglais déjà? Chickpeas, frozen chickpeas, carrots. I have rice that I've rinsed already. I have some quinoa. I think I'm going to do both. And then the meat that I have is the ground beef that was on sale. It's 80% lean, 20% fat. I'm going to add some turmeric. I thought I had some coconut oil, but I don't. I'm out. To cook everything, I'm going to use this crock pot in which I already oiled. I've already put some olive oil in the bottom so it doesn't stick. I just have to like turn it around to make sure the oil is coated everywhere. You can also add liver, like pork liver, beef liver. I'm not sure what kind of animal, but like some liver. It's also good for the dogs, but I didn't find any liver. And another thing I'm missing, I wish I could put in there, is the pumpkin puree. I couldn't find any pumpkin puree at Stop and Shop. And of course, like I mentioned, the coconut oil is also a good thing to add at the end. I thought I had some coconut oil left over, but no, I'm out. So I didn't buy any at Stop and Shop either. So no coconut oil. It's my first time doing this, so you know, we're trying. We're gonna. Alright, so first I'm gonna put this. I'll put the rice. 2 cups of water. I'll put the meat. chickpeas. Turmeric. All right, my loves, I put everything in the Instant Pot. This is what it looks like. Okay. Now I'm gonna close this and we're gonna cook it. All right, so I never used the crock pot, no, Instapot. I never used the Instapot, so I'm not very familiar with how it's supposed to work. I bought it from a friend. It's a secondhand pot and I bought it like 3 or 4 years ago. I think I tried to use it maybe 5 times and I gave up. So I think I got it right, but I was not able to film it. So let me tell you, if you use an Instapot, you're supposed to put it on high pressure for 30 or 35 minutes. Okay, and make sure that you coat your pot with oil so it doesn't stick, and you have to add 2 cups of water. I think that's what I did. I'm not 100%, but it's on. I put it up to 35. I'm not sure if I put up to 35 minutes or degrees. I'm not sure, but I guess we'll figure it out. So we'll see. I will see you back in 35 minutes. Hi, my loves. It's been an hour, not 30 minutes, not 35 minutes, an hour. I'm not sure what program I selected on the Instapot. I thought I put it for 35 minutes, but it's been an hour. The pressure is out. I let go of the pressure. I'm about to open this Instapot and we are about to discover together what's cooking in there, because well, how it cooked, we know what's cooking, but is it cooked, is it undercooked, is it overcooked? I don't know. Big mystery. Let's see. You guys ready? Oh, you guys, it looks pretty good. Okay, all right, okay. The meat is fully cooked, thank God. That's really what I was worried about. The rice is cooked, everything's cooked. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna mix all this and let it cool down, but so far it looks pretty good. I see a lot of water at the bottom. I don't know if you can see all this water here. So maybe I'm gonna drain a little bit of the water and then I'm gonna mix it up. Voila. All right, my loves, this is it. I am done preparing the dog's food. I think I have a decent amount. It looks pretty good, you guys. It's super hot, so I'm gonna let it cool down, but that's a whole lot of food for all my puppies. I'm pretty proud of myself. It smells really good. I want to try it. No, let me try it. Oh my gosh, it's good. It's missing some salt and pepper and seasoning. But you guys, I would feed my kids this. I would eat this myself. I hate to say my dogs maybe eat better than me. No. Maybe I should know. I can't say that. No. No, they don't eat better than me. They eat as good as me. What is this noise? Uh-oh. Is this on? All right, I am finally done with the dog food. I put everything in containers and I was able to put at least 2, 4, 6 cups of dog foods in air vacuum bags, which are not really air vacuums. I'm not sure my air vacuum is working properly, but this is going in the freezer. This is for the week to come, and this is for tonight. I think that's a bit much for a first time. I think I'm gonna do half of that, and I'm gonna mix it with their hard food, and we'll see how they like it. All right, now I did the math on how much I spent in my groceries for this meal right here. And the meat, the veggies, I spent about $14. Now, I didn't use all the ingredients. I used parts of some of the ingredients, like the chickpeas, the frozen chickpeas. I only used a little bit. I still have a big bag. The carrots, I didn't use all the baby carrots that I bought. I'm gonna eat some of them too. I think I spent about $10 for healthy food. So yeah, I hope the dogs are gonna like it, because if they don't like it, I'm screwed. All right, let's see how they like it. Bon, I think Misty loves it. It's good, Misty? You like it? Good girl, Misty. All right, I think they like it. I'm really worried about Luna. I hope she's gonna eat the whole thing. Luna's still working on it, but Misty has completely finished her food. C'était bon, Misty? Was it good? Was good? Was good? Yes? Oh yes, it was so good. I want more. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you ate everything, you good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you're gonna be doing some good poops. Yes, some good healthy poops. That's good. And then Luna, the old lady, is still working on it, but she did not give up. Good girl, Luna. That's a good girl. You're still working on it. Usually, if it's too hard to eat, she just gives up. And she is not giving up. She is loving it. I am so happy. All right, my loves. Hi, my loves. Here's an update on the dog food. So we are entering week 3. I am on my last bag of supply that I made on the 5th. Today is the 27th, I think, or 28th, something like that. We are at the end of the month. And you know what? Oh, hi, hey, how are you doing? My dogs are doing a lot better, especially Luna, the old one, the white one. When I started the dog food, I did it not just because of budget, but also because Luna was not doing well. And before Luna, Misty was the one who was having a back leg problem. So I was hoping that feeding them healthy homemade food would help heal them, or help them heal their body faster. That's exactly what happened. Whoops. Before giving them the dog food, Luna, my oldest, was not able to jump from the floor to the couch and vice versa. About a week, 10 days after feeding her the homemade food, I saw a big improvement in her health. Now she's able to jump on the couch, jump down from the couch. She's running, she's sitting better, she is more balanced on her 4 feet. She has more energy overall. So I am very, very happy to report a big increase in her overall health. Well, Misty, she's 4 years old. She's always full of energy. Also, I noticed less shading, but maybe it's because now is not the time for them to shed. They have their winter coat on, and I don't think that it's shedding time. As far as the budget, it cost me, like I was telling you earlier, about $10 more or less to make, I think, 8 cups of food. And it lasts me 3 weeks. So that's about $3.33 a week worth of dog food, which is not bad at all. My original plan was to transition them from table food, hard food, to homemade food only. I'm rethinking that. I think that I am going to still give them Pebble food. Right now I still have a big bag of Pebble food that is left that I have not opened yet. So I like that I'm mixing the Pebble food with the homemade food. I think it's a very rich meal for them. I feel like they feel full once they're done. I am scared that if I switch them from Pebble food to only homemade food, they won't feel full as much. I feel like they'll digest it so much faster and they'll feel more hungry. And I don't want to have to feed them twice a day. I don't want to have to make double the food that I'm making. So I'm considering keeping the Pebble food but using a lot less, right? Just as something to fill up their stomach a bit more, if that makes any sense. By doing this, I'm also using a lot less Pebble food, which means it's going to last a lot longer and I'm going to spend a lot less money on it. So that's the idea. It's still a work in progress. I'm still experimenting. Let me know in the comment section if you want to follow up. But I will be making more dog food this weekend. This time I'm probably going to change the meat. And if I can find some organs on sale for them, I will add it to the mix. But yeah, that's that. I wanted to give you guys a little update. Here are, let me show you the doggies real quick. Here they are sleeping. Luna got on this little couch on her own. Well, Misty, you know, she's 4, so she jumps and runs and barks and does whatever. But this one right here, Luna, my old lady, I was starting to get a bit worried about her, and I am so happy to report that she is doing much better. So voila, my loves, this is it for this video. I will put in the comment section, not in the comment section, in the description box, I will put my recipe. I would put a link to the crock pot. Oh yeah, that's another one. Instapot. I am not an Instapot person, as you could see in this video. I'm more like an air fryer type of girl, not an Instapot. But for things like that, it is very useful. But I have to learn how to use this sorcery better. But I will put a link to a crockpot, Instapot down below. I don't even know what the difference is between the two. I think it's maybe a brand's name. I don't know. And yeah, I highly recommend, if you have dogs, I highly recommend that you try this recipe. It is very good. It has vegetables and carbs and meat. The dogs are loving it. It is very budget friendly. It takes an hour of your time once a month. Highly recommend. Okay, again, I'll put everything down below. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, if you have any questions. And then that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.